Step 1. Condition scanning. Purpose: map rust density and structural misalignment to route each Bagger 293 module into the correct line.
Step 2. Slew ring extraction. Purpose: separate the rotation bearing module so it can be remachined for smooth, quiet turning. Step 3. Chemical derusting. Purpose: dissolve remaining oxidation in threads and small parts for precise reassembly.
Step 4. Bio-clean room. Purpose: control metal dust and microoxidation using a sealed industrial cultivation clean.
Step 5. Frame straightening. Purpose: return the Bagger 293's main beams to axis true geometry for stable load paths. Step 5. Laser alignment. Purpose: verify the track chain runs true to reduce vibration and wear.
Step 5. Electrical renewal. Purpose: remove dust, rebuild terminations, and restore stable power distribution for quiet operation. Step 6. Anti-rust primer. Purpose: seal clean steel to prevent corrosion return and create an even base for the unified green coat. Step 6. Protective top coat. Purpose:
harden the unified green finish, and reduce future dust adhesion.
Step 7. Cabin reinstall. Purpose: restore a sealed operator space that reduces dust intrusion and vibration transfer.
Assembly QC, fit check. Purpose: confirm flange gaps are within tolerance so loads distribute evenly.
Step 8. 360 geometry verification. Purpose: confirm the rebuilt Bagger 293 is straight.
Outbound routing. Purpose: move the rebuilt Bagger 293 to the test yard under controlled towing and safety locks. Test yard reveal. Purpose: show the transformation. Rusty scrap to straight, unified green, quiet running machine. The slew rotation test is currently underway. As the upper structure rotates, data is collected from the sensor mast to verify alignment with the angle stakes.
Cabin seal check. Purpose: confirm door closure and new gaskets and reduce dust intrusion and noise.
Traceability after rebuild. Purpose: confirm the ID, maintenance schedule, and inspection history remain accessible.
Vibration verification. Purpose: ensure rebuilt rotation and conveyors run quietly under light simulated load.
Handover packet. Purpose: deliver maintenance records, traceability, and service intervals for the rebuilt Bagger 293.
Conclusion. Purpose. A rusted green Bagger 293 becomes straight, sealed, uniformly repainted, and quietly operational.